Yeah, hello everybody. Today we're going to learn how to get any course on Udemy for free, or almost every course. So it's not every course, but almost everyone. So let's say, for example, as we see, this course is costing around 110 euros, and here we can get it for free. The same for this course, the same for this one, and so on. Okay, so we can get courses for free, whatever they are costing. And this course is for 1,100 euro, 200 euros, 50 euros, 80 euros, and so on. Okay, how can we do that? It's very simple to do that. All what you need to do is just to follow this video till the end, and it is very, very short. So you see this extension that I have here. If you're clicking here, you will see here are some courses for free. Okay, and these are courses for free as well. And if you click the stats, you will see that we have more than 150,000 courses, and out of them 16,999 free courses, 294 valid coupons. What does it mean? If we click here valid coupons, you will see that this course usually, if we click on this course, for example, so this course costs usually around 30 euros. But right now I can get it for free. Okay, and the same for this course, for example. This course costs usually around $95, and I can get it now for free. Okay, how can we do that? Very simple. Just copy this website. Okay, you can just copy this website, or the easiest way is just to copy this. Okay, go on Firefox or Chrome, whatever you are using. Just write here, I am using a Firefox, so I am going to write Firefox add-ons. Then you have it in the first page. Just add to Firefox. Okay, if you don't have it, I have it already, that's why it is added. And that's it. Just click here. Every day you have the courses for free. Just click stats, go to valid coupons, and in this way you can enroll in all these courses, and it is for free. You see, this course usually costs 110 euros, and now it's for free. Maybe tomorrow it is not, but if you're following this, you are able to get courses for hundreds of thousands for free. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just put them in comment and I'm going to answer you. Thank you so much, and see you later again. Bye.